The first state of India which prepared Human Development Report. Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Friends, if you understand in detail, the first state in India to release a state level human development report is Madhya Pradesh, which released its first human development report in the year 1995. Under which article the president is elected? Right answer is option D, Article 54. Friends, Article 54 of the Indian Constitution deals with the Electoral College of the President of India. According to this article, the President is not elected directly by the people. Rather, he is elected by the Electoral College. Through the 70th Constitutional Amendment in the year 1992, Delhi and Puducherry were included as members of the Electoral College under Article 54. The members of a state legislative council are not chosen by which of the following categories of persons? Right answer is option D, industrialist. Friends, like the parliament, the states can also have a legislative council in addition to the legislative assembly through Article 169 of the Constitution. Currently, 6 states have a legislative council like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Which of the following is the major constituent of the liquefied petroleum gas? Right answer is option A, butane. Friends, the gas which we use in our home for the preparation of food is called liquid petroleum gas. The main constituents of LPG are the liquid form of butane and isobutane. Liquefied petroleum gas means LPG is a combination of propane and butane. Which of the following is called philosopher's wool? Right answer is option C, zinc oxide. Blank is the language that computer can understand and execute. Right answer is option C, machine level language. What was the capital of India before Delhi? Right answer is option A, Calcutta. Friends, if you understand in detail, Calcutta was the capital of India till 1911 when it was shifted to Delhi by the King of England, who made this announcement from the Delhi Darbar. It was on 13 February 1931 that the Viceroy of India, Lord Irwin, inaugurated New Delhi as the country's new capital. The case was conducted at 1911 Delhi Darbar. Name the saint who composed Khari Boli Mukta Kaaz. Right answer is option C, Dadu Dayal. Friends, Dadu Dayal was born in 1544 AD in Ahmedabad. Dadu was one of the best disciples of Kabir. Dadu's initial name was Mahabali. Dadu was a Kabir Panthi and was a contemporary of Akbar, who is called the father of Hindi Khari Boli. Right answer is option B, Amir Khusro. Friends, Amir Khusro was the first Muslim poet to use Hindi words openly. He was the first person to write simultaneously in Hindi, Hindavi and Persian. He is credited with the invention of Khari Boli. How many total players are there in Kho-Kho? Right answer is option D, 12. Friends, each team consists of 12 players, but during a contest only 9 players from each side take the field. Kho-Kho was started in the state of Maharashtra. The Asian Kho-Kho Federation first came into existence in 1987 at the time of the Third South Asian Federation Games held in Calcutta. Which of the following Mughal rulers imposed jizya again? Right answer is option A, Aurangzeb. Friends, Muhammad bin Qasim was the first to impose jizya tax in Dewan, Sindh province in India. After this, the first sultan to impose jizya tax was Firoz Tughlaq. Firoz Tughlaq was the first sultan who imposed jizya tax on Brahmins also. The first Mughal ruler to abolish jizya tax was Akbar. Akbar abolished jizya tax in 1564, re-established in 1575 AD. After this, it was abolished again in 1579-80 AD. Aurangzeb re-imposed jizya tax in 1679. The Mughal ruler who last abolished jizya tax was Muhammad Shah Rangila, who was the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Right answer is option D, Junko Tabei. Friends, on 16 May 1975, Junko Tabei became the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. She is also the first woman who climbed the highest peaks of each of the 7 continents. Santosh Yadav, she is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. And Bachendri Pal, Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. The Haripura session of Indian National Congress was presided over by. Right answer is option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Friends, the Haripura Gujarat session of Indian National Congress held in the year 1938 was presided over by Subhash Chandra Bose. It was the 51st session of the Indian National Congress. In the Haripura session, National Planning Committee set up under Jawaharlal Nehru. The Chittagong Armory raid had been planned by. Right answer is option B, Surya Sen. Friends, the Chittagong Armory raid took place on 18 April 1930 and was an attempt at raiding the armory of police and auxiliary forces led by freedom fighter Surya Sen. According to Article 75, the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the. Right answer is option B, House of the People. The purpose of adjournment motion in Parliament is. Right answer is option D, discussion on urgent matter of public importance. Mount Etna, considered to be the most active volcano of Europe, is located in. Right answer is option A, Italy. Friends, if you understand in detail, Mount Etna is an active volcano on the east coast of Sicily in Italy. It is located between the cities of Messina and Catania. It is the highest Mediterranean island mountain. It was added to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2013. Australia is situated on the banks of which river? Right answer is option B, Murray-Darling. How many bits are there in 1 byte? Right answer is option B, 8 byte. What is dry ice? Right answer is option C, solid carbon dioxide. Friends, dry ice is the common name for the solid form of carbon dioxide. It's called dry ice because it doesn't melt into a wet liquid.